Welcome to the Python tutorial. Today we are going to understand the difference between Python 2 and Python 3. So here we have some differences between Python 2.x and 3.x. So here x is a version just like 2.1, 2.2, 2.7, and in Python 3.x, which is Python 3.1, 2, 3.5, 3.6. So now let's see the differences. So the first difference is in Python 2 we have a get evaluated expression, and in Python 3 we have a string value. So what is a evaluated expression? So suppose we have an input in Python 2 which is raw input, and after that we have to enter some values, and here we have an input in Python 3 which is input, and after that enter some values. So whatever we enter, then the value is assigned to the variable x in both Python 2 and Python 3. So when I enter 2 into 6 in Python 2 and in Python 3, then the Python 2 will return 12, which means that we will get a evaluated values which is 2 into 6. But in Python 3, when we run this program, then we get the result which is a string values, which is 2 into 6 in string format. So how we get the evaluated value in Python 3? So for that we have to use a expression, or we can say function, which is eval. When we write eval before the input, then it will return a evaluated value in Python 3 which is equal to 12. So this is the main difference between Python 2 and Python 3, which is a evaluated expression. So now let's move to the second difference, which is in Python 2 print is a statement, and in Python 3 print is a function. So in Python 2 we don't need to add any parentheses, but in Python 3 we have to write the values inside a parenthesis. So let's move to the third difference, which is when we use a not equal to operator in Python 2. So for that we have to use a greater than and less than sign. But in Python 3 there is a general operator which is exclamation mark and equal to. So this operator is used in other languages, that's why I called a general operator. So let's move to the fourth difference, which is range in Python 2 and Python 3. So what is a range? Range is used in for loop to iterate the values, which is a integer. So when we use a range in Python 2, then it will return a list. So here you can see x equal to range 10, and when we check the variable x, or we can say when we check the type of variable x, then it will return a list type, which means that in Python 2 the range is the type of list. When I write x, and after that we get a list of object which is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So now let's move to the Python 3. When we write x equal to range 5, so this value of range 5 is assigned to the variable x, and when we check the type for variable x, then it will return a range object itself, which means that in Python 3 range is a range object itself. So these are the key difference between Python 2 and Python 3. So now let's move to the another topic, which is how to automate the Python 2 script into Python 3 code, which means that how to convert the program which is written in Python 2 to Python 3. So here you can see there is a program which is function based program. So here we have a defined function which is def student. After that we just pass the argument name, and after that we have a print statement which is hello, and after that we have a format of the name. So when we run this module, or we can say when we run this program, we get the result which is hello, here hello, and after that whatever we pass to this function is written here. So here we get the result which is hello, and after that some name. So this program is written in Python 2, and now we want to convert this program in Python 3. So here we can see it can be converted to Python 3 Xcode via 2 to 3 on the command line, which means that we have to just write only 2 to 3. After that name of the program, or we can say name of the script.py. So when we run this line, we get the result in Python 3 format. So this is the way to convert a Python 2 program into Python 3. So that's all about the differences between the Python 2 and the Python 3.